Meaning of feel good.
Feel good.
Feel good.
Feel good.
Feel good. Feel good typically describes something that produces positive emotions or a sense of well-being. It can refer to experiences such as listening to uplifting music, enjoying delicious food, spending time with loved ones, engaging in physical activity, or accomplishing a goal. The result of a feel-good experience is often increased happiness, reduced stress, and a general feeling of contentment. These experiences can have both short-term and long-term effects on mental and physical health, making them an important part of maintaining overall wellness.